Guys, so last video I posted, literally it was at 200 views. I know you can comment, it probably says disable blah blah blah, but just mm, just look at the video because I want to see how many people saw my video, and 200, that's actually crazy. And my subscribers was literally 3 subscribers, and after I posted that video it's literally 10 subscribers, like 7 upgrade. That's good, guys. Okay, bye, I'm gonna sleep now. Like and subscribe if you want me to do a GRW. Get ready with me. GRWM, like night routine or morning routine. Okay. Like for night, subscribe for morning. Bye. Last, why do small creators gather, and why do other small creators get famous for showing their lips and eyes? Okay, let me just try. Blah 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 blah. Lick it all. Blah 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 blah. Okay, I'm sorry if I jump scared you, but bye.